Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to my channel. And today, you know what we're gonna be doing? Yes. So I have a 4x4 and it recently popped. There was thousands of pieces I had to fix. This was not an extra. This had came inside of the cube and the internal part of it had popped. So I'm gonna be fixing this internal part and showing you a guide of the 4x4. I'm getting my cubing mat. It's right now on focus on the 4x4. So what you want to do is to fix a pop. You want to get some tape. Not some, you need a lot of tape. So I'm gonna get it. 3, 2, 1, and yep, I got this. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is take some tape off this tape and tape around the second layer. Now this tape can be easily torn, that's why. So yep, so U and D work. Now what you want to do is like as you see over here, right? You want to remove this, and whenever you pull this out you will see that nope, it's not there. So I'm gonna break a piece off. Just easier if I do use some tools. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yep, as you see over here, there's this internal part. This internal part belongs over here, so you have to fix it inside. So yes, I'm gonna remove it. Ouch, that's the cube, what it's saying. So I got this, and my cube's really dusty. And if you see inside of a 4x4, there are like some few internal parts also, thousands of those. So like these two parts attached together look like, hold on 1 second, I forgot how to attach together, so I'm just trying to attach them. Yes, they attach together like that. Hold on, let me get some sunlight over in this part. So I'm getting some sunlight on this part right over here. Yes, that's a cool thing, cause you know what? So I'm gonna take an edge set like that. Insert this over here. Yay! Now it's inserted. Then I'm gonna take this internal part and put it like that over here, inside over here. I'm gonna need a pencil, cause you know what? So I'll get a pencil which I don't use. Hold on. Use a pencil which is not good, that you like don't want to use, cause okay, so this is actually very hard job to do this for the last edge on the 4x4. Cause oh, this is coming off now. Now wait, hold on. Just gonna put this over here and just hold on. Ow. I'm gonna remove this headset. Oh, I removed this. Instead of removing the headset, I removed this. Back. Oh, okay. So right now this should be over here like that, and this shall be like over here. Yeah. So that's how I'm doing it without glue, because without glue is the best thing. Yes, I got it. I got it. So I'm gonna put one edge quickly here and insert this in twist. I'm gonna first insert the center, never mind, this center piece first, like that. Hold on, I don't need any light. Now you can see the yellow more clearly. Then you want this edge piece, and then you're done with it. Now last you want to insert the centers first, like you want to examine the centers properly before fixing these centers. And there you go. Open the tape. Way smoother. It feels much smoother and steadier with that internal part. Now what I'm gonna do is do a solve. I've got my cubing mat. Yep. Yes. You know what's faster? Magic. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, so I finished my inspection and 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not making any like, I'm not timing this solve. Red then orange. Now okay, come on. Now done. The best part about the 4x4 is, nope, it's very hard to solve, to learn to solve. After you learned, it's like easy peasy. Pair the blue one. No. Pair the orange one. Yes. Okay, all of them are done now. Solve like 3 by 3. Done. OLL. Yes, and that's done. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.